Hey, good morning. This is Friday, October the 2nd, and so you're going to finish your questions, your guiding questions from the ravine. Make sure that you do that today. You have that sheet, and you type right on it. You go up in the right-hand corner and click on the paper with the line through it. You do not click on the pencil. You're going to click on the very top on the ends, the paper with the line through it, and then that opens as a Google Doc. When you open as a Google Doc, you just click right into where you want to type your answer right by the question, and that should do it. In social studies, we're going to watch a short video about cuneiform, the type of writing the Sumerians did, and then you're going to have a code, a sheet that you have to break the code. So you'll have to look at the pictures and do that. Okay, so if you have any questions today, email me and let me know. Remember, one of you has a social studies book here and a folder with all of your passwords in it. You probably will need iStation today for 30 minutes if you have some time to put that in. And I still need perfect paragraph from one of you. I haven't gotten anything yet, and that's worth 100 points. So make sure you do that and email me if you have questions. All right, thanks.